Final video to fix stuttering in Titan Quest 2, and if your game keeps lagging or freezing, listen carefully. Are you facing the problem where Titan Quest 2 stutters during movement, fights, or even simple actions? This usually happens because graphics drivers are outdated, game settings push your system too hard, or background apps steal performance. Sometimes small glitches, shader loading, or poor optimization settings cause sudden frame drops. Many YouTube and social media fixes show long graphic tweaks. Confusing files to edit or risky tools that are hard to follow and still do not fix the stutter. On Rexish, I keep things simple and effective. I discovered a secret easy trick that reduces stuttering and makes Titan Quest 2 run smooth and stable. This trick balances graphic settings, fixes background conflicts, and helps your system deliver steady performance without hurting visuals. You do not need advanced skills or extra software. I tested this method on different systems, and it works smoothly every time. This solution saves time and makes gameplay feel clean and responsive again. Watch till the end so you do not miss the small step most guides skip. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial explained slowly and clearly, comment below and tell me you want it. Rexish always delivers real fixes that actually work. So stay connected and fix Titan Quest 2 stuttering the smart way.